Hey guys, today I'm going to open these cool little dinosaurs. I got these dinosaurs. That's why, because I wanted my dolls to play with them because they're so teeny tiny. Don't you see? So yeah, let's get started opening it. Oops, I kind of ripped it. I don't really care because that's just the paper. Ooh! It's open. Hello, dinosaur. That dinosaur was almost done. I don't really know the names of the dinosaurs, but this one is so cute. Which one? What is this anyways? Look, it's a little... Oh, look. Which dinosaur is this? But look, this has red on it and yellow. That's so cute. Like, that's so little arms. And I also have Elsa and Daisy, the pink mermaid, with me. I'm going to let Daisy play with it. Hey, Daisy. Look, Daisy's so cute. Yes. Ooh, which one is this? Yeah, I forgot about the name, but oh, this is so nice. Kind of looks like gold. See? I don't think you can tell if it's looking gold in the camera. Wait. Yeah, now I think you can tell. Oh, it's so cute. Now this one is cute, and I'm going to let Elsa play with it this time. Hey, Elsa, you can have it. Thank you. It has a really long neck. Now, ooh, this is like the same dinosaur, but it's a little bit more different. Is this a T-Rex? I don't know, but it sure has little arms too. It has blue shading on it. I love blue, so my favorite color is blue. That's right. So I'm gonna give it to Elsa too. Hey, Elsa, you can have it. Yay, thank you. Okay, I was just saying that's water. There's another one. So many dinosaurs have little hands. Now, I don't know which one is this, but this one, it has green on it, and it's like walking. What is this on it? Is that an egg? No, that's not an egg. It's like a mohawk thing. And that will go to Daisy, the pink mermaid. Yeah, it kind of fell there. Get this one. This is funny. Wait, let me see. Compare these two ones. I'm pretty sure this is a T-Rex. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a T-Rex. Don't you guys think so? Ooh, it is. The T-Rex is all red, so whatever. Nom, 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 nom. And, here. Daisy. This time, the rock and roll one, the king will go to Elsa. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it to Elsa. I don't know why. Actually, no, I want to give it to Daisy, the pink mermaid this time. Come on! Sorry, Elsa. Ooh, I don't know this one. Can you please tell me can you guys just please tell me all of the names of these dinosaurs? Just comment down below. But not yet, guys, not yet. Look at this one. This one is cool. Look at the tail. It's funny. Tail is so funny. And it's all orange on the top. It's going to get you. It's like, oh. So cute. Yeah. I think this time I'm going to give this to Daisy, the pink mermaid. Now he has three dinosaurs and even Elsa. Look at this one. this one kind of looks like it has an egg on it, a nest with an egg on it. It kind of looks funny, but it's like, hello. It's like, hello, hello. It's like doing, hello. It looks so cute and funny with those little hands. Looks like a kid. Oh, anyways, it has green on it. Look at it. Hello. This one will go to Elsa. Wow, Elsa, now you have 4 dinosaurs to play with. Be careful. They might eat you and turn into alive. Ooh, look at this one. This one also has a long neck. Now this one has like red on it, and this time it has like a tail what is like this curving kind of. And this time, since Elsa already since Elsa already has kind of this thing, so Daisy will have it. Daisy, the pink mermaid. Now let's see these. I see 2 fences and I see some cheese, I guess. Okay, I'm going to try to like put all of these dinosaurs inside. First of all, what do I have to do to make it? Oh, I got it, I guess. I don't know. Okay. I think you have to put these in here. Yeah. Anyway, I think it's like that. And I don't know where do the trees go. Oh, wait. The trees go, I think no, they don't. Or do they? I'm thinking they go like somewhere here or something. It does look like it goes in there. Yeah, it's totally not going in there. Totally sure it's not gonna go in there. Or does it go in here? Yeah, this kind of fit. I'm just gonna put it there for now. And this other tree, what should I go do with this other tree? I'm just gonna kind of try to place it here. I'm going to make... Okay, here is the lift. First I'm going to put all of the dinosaurs in it. First with this mohawk guy gonna go in here. And then the tall neck one. It keeps falling from me. If it has a tall neck, why then it's going to the tree? Yeah, I think this one is way more taller. Yeah, it's totally more tall. I can totally go the tree. It's going to eat some things from the tree. Yeah, there's an animal. There's a dinosaur what destroyed it, so he's just looking at it. Looking outside to get out. That animal's that. Look at this one. I like the color. It's like Elsa, nice shady. And don't get out, dinosaur. Okay, this is kind of hard to stand. There we go. And this guy can go here. Yeah, he just keeps falling down. Let me just try to balance him in here. No, it's just going to do that and fall down. One little dinosaur is trying to get out. And the other, even this one. And this one is already out. Look at this. there's a bunch of animals trying to get. They're like fighting. I'm going to do someone fighting. Let's see. T-Rex versus. I'm just gonna call this guy Egghead guy. Yeah, T-Rex versus Egghead dinosaur guy. Yes. Ready, guys? I'm pretty sure T-Rex should be the king. So ready, set, go. They're gonna fight. Fighting, 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 fighting. Where did he go? Yeah. Look at this. The neck is so long. Am I making the long neck? No, I'm not. Hey guys, can you do this? Tell me in the comments below. Tell me down in the comments below if you can do it. And can you guys write down in the comments below what are all of these animals? Wait, let me just hold them for you so you can see it. Them all. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're going to fall. Oh yeah, sorry guys. There's this one. This one. There's this one. There's this one. And there's this one. There's this one. And there's this one. I like to call this guy Egghead Guy Dinosaur. Hey, what is this going on? We were just sitting with Anaya and doing the video. We got to play with a little dinosaurs. Little dinosaurs? No fair! I wanted to too. I also wanted to play with these dinosaurs. They're so cool and I love to be in videos. Well, sorry, you should have came before. No. Yeah, I'm just gonna end it.